Hello, kumusta? Are you working long hours as a caregiver, little rest, and barely enough to get by? I was in the same situation as you 15 months ago until I found this amazing life-changing opportunity. Watch my story below and learn how you can run your side hustle without quitting your regular job. Click that learn button and register your name and your email address. Aron masan nako ang free information. Ako di ay si Mary Chu from Michigan, USA. Mo-share ko ninyo how I started my digital online side hustle. I used to work 3 caregiving jobs. One day I realized I could not keep up with grind of working multiple jobs as a caregiver. I wanted more time, freedom from a cycle of working so hard just to get by. When I discovered this life-changing opportunity, I was skeptical and hesitated. But I knew I needed change. So I did the research about this business and I encourage you to do the same. Fast forward to today, it transformed me from working 3 caregiving jobs and now proudly running my side hustle, digital side hustle business for 15 months and enjoying the benefits of time freedom for myself and my family and helping others to do the same. If you are ready for change, I am here to guide you through the process. Click that learn button and register your name and email address aron masan nako ang free information about sa business. This business doesn't require the experience, no selling and begging to our friends and family. Everything is provided, training, mentoring, coaching, and community. All you need to start is laptop and internet connection. Because of this business, I was able to quit my 2 other job. And proud to say, nga nakatabang ko sa atong mga kababayan all over the world to mentor them and to set up sa ilang online business and also to educate them nga there is another way of earning extra income and enjoying our time freedom for our family. And as long as you are coachable and willing to learn, we will be by your side to support and help you succeed. Today, I am not only supporting or supplementing our household income, but also helping everyone to change their lives. This can be you as well. So to access the free information, click that learn button and register your name in your email address so that I can send you the free information. So I hope to see you on inside. Bye for now.